Nature's Healing TV presents Best Fruits for Kidney Repairs, the natural foods that help support healthy kidneys. Have you ever wondered whether the fruits sitting in your kitchen could help protect one of the hardest working organs in your body? Your kidneys work every second of every day. They filter nearly 50 gallons, about 180 liters of blood daily, remove waste products, balance fluids, regulate blood pressure, produce hormones, and keep essential minerals in balance. Yet millions of people around the world unknowingly damage their kidneys through poor diet, dehydration, uncontrolled diabetes, high blood pressure, excessive salt intake, smoking, alcohol abuse, and overuse of certain pain medications. The good news is this: while no fruit can repair severely damaged kidneys or cure chronic kidney disease, scientific research shows that many fruits contain powerful antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and anti-inflammatory compounds that help support kidney function, reduce oxidative stress, improve circulation, and protect healthy kidney cells. Traditional cultures have long valued many of these fruits for cleansing the body and promoting urinary health. Today, we'll explore the best fruits for kidney health, how they work, their nutritional benefits, traditional uses, and the safest ways to enjoy them. Let's begin understanding your kidneys. Before discussing the fruits, it's important to understand what your kidneys actually do. Healthy kidneys filter toxins from the blood, remove excess water, balance electrolytes, control blood pressure, activate vitamin D, produce hormones needed for healthy red blood cells. When kidneys become stressed, waste begins accumulating in the body. Early warning signs may include swollen feet, puffy eyes, fatigue, changes in urination, foamy urine, high blood pressure, muscle cramps, poor appetite. If these symptoms persist, consult a qualified healthcare professional promptly. Now let's look at nature's kidney-friendly fruits. 1. Cranberries, the urinary tract protector. Cranberries have been treasured for generations. Native Americans used them for healing long before modern medicine recognized their benefits. Cranberries contain unique compounds called proanthocyanins. These compounds help prevent harmful bacteria from attaching to the walls of the urinary tract. This may reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, especially in women. Healthy urinary tracts reduce stress placed on the kidneys. Benefits include rich in antioxidants, supports urinary tract health, helps reduce inflammation, contains vitamin C. Preparation: fresh cranberries, unsweetened cranberry juice, or frozen berries are the healthiest choices. Avoid heavily sweetened cranberry drinks. 2. Blueberries, tiny fruits with huge benefits. Blueberries are among the richest antioxidant fruits on earth. Their deep blue color comes from anthocyanins. These antioxidants help fight oxidative stress, one of the leading contributors to kidney aging. Blueberries may also support healthy blood pressure, healthy blood sugar, reduced inflammation, better circulation. Traditional healers have long viewed dark berries as blood cleansing foods. Eat them fresh, frozen, or blended into smoothies. 3. Apples, everyday kidney protection. An old saying says, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." While no food guarantees perfect health, apples offer impressive benefits. They contain soluble fiber, vitamin C, polyphenols, quercetin. These nutrients may help lower inflammation, improve cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar, and support overall kidney health. Preparation: eat the skin whenever possible because many nutrients are concentrated there. 4. Watermelon, nature's hydration fruit. Water makes up over 90% of watermelon. Proper hydration is essential for kidney health because it helps flush waste products through urine. Watermelon also contains lycopene, citrulline, vitamin A, vitamin C. Traditional medicine often regarded watermelon as a cooling fruit that supports urinary flow. However, people with advanced kidney disease should consult their doctor because watermelon contains potassium. 5. Grapes, a powerful cell protection. Red and purple grapes contain resveratrol. This plant compound has attracted worldwide scientific interest. Research suggests resveratrol may help reduce inflammation, protect blood vessels, improve circulation, reduce oxidative stress. Healthy circulation means healthier kidneys. Eat grapes fresh rather than as sugary juice. 6. Strawberries, rich in vitamin C. Strawberries contain vitamin C, fiber, anthocyanins, folate. These nutrients support immune function and help combat inflammation. Traditional herbalists often recommended berries for cleansing the blood. Fresh strawberries make an excellent snack. 7. Pineapple, the lower potassium choice. Unlike bananas and oranges, pineapple contains relatively lower potassium. This makes it a popular fruit among many individuals following kidney-friendly diets. Under medical guidance, pineapple also provides bromelain, vitamin C, manganese. Bromelain is an enzyme that may help reduce inflammation. Fresh pineapple is preferable to canned versions packed in sugary syrup. 8. Cherries are fighting inflammation naturally. Cherries are packed with antioxidants. Some studies suggest cherries may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. They also support healthy circulation. Traditional medicine valued cherries for cleansing the body. Fresh cherries are the healthiest choice. 9. Pomegranates, ancient fruit of health. For thousands of years, pomegranates symbolize life and vitality. Modern research continues to investigate their impressive antioxidant content. Pomegranates contain polyphenols, vitamin C, potassium, fiber. Their antioxidants help neutralize free radicals that damage cells. Enjoy fresh seeds or unsweetened juice in moderation. 10. Lemons are supporting hydration. Lemons contain citric acid. Drinking lemon water may increase citrate levels in urine. Higher urinary citrate may help reduce the formation of certain kidney stones. Traditional healing systems have long recommended warm lemon water for digestive and urinary wellness. Preparation: squeeze fresh lemon into water. Avoid adding excessive sugar. 11. Blackberries. Blackberries provide vitamin C, fiber, anthocyanins, vitamin K. Their antioxidant compounds help protect healthy cells from oxidative damage. They are delicious in oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. 12. Raspberries. Raspberries contain ellagic acid, antioxidants, and fiber. These nutrients may support healthy blood sugar, reduced inflammation, better digestive health. Good digestion also supports overall wellness. Traditional wisdom about fruits and kidney health. Across Africa, Asia, Europe, and the Americas, traditional healers encouraged eating seasonal fruits as part of maintaining good health. Many cultures believed fruits help cleanse the body naturally. Although modern science supports many benefits of fruit, remember that traditional practices should complement, not replace, professional medical care. How to get the most benefit: choose fresh fruits whenever possible. Wash thoroughly. Eat a variety of colors. Avoid excessive fruit juices. Whole fruits provide more fiber and better blood sugar control. Stay hydrated by drinking enough water unless your healthcare provider recommends. Fluid restriction. Foods that harm kidney health. Even the healthiest fruits cannot overcome an unhealthy lifestyle. Limit excess salt, sugary drinks, processed foods, smoking, heavy alcohol, excessive painkiller use without medical supervision. Also manage diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity. These remain the leading causes of kidney disease worldwide. Important safety reminder: if you already have chronic kidney disease, dialysis, or reduced kidney function, not every fruit is appropriate. Many fruits contain potassium. Healthy kidneys remove excess potassium efficiently. Damaged kidneys may struggle to do so. Too much potassium can become dangerous. Always follow the dietary advice of your nephrologist or registered dietitian regarding which fruits and portion sizes are appropriate for your condition. Lifestyle habits that protect your kidneys. Along with eating healthy fruits, stay physically active. Drink adequate water. Sleep 7 to 9 hours each night. Keep blood pressure under control. Manage blood sugar levels. Maintain a healthy body weight. Avoid smoking. Limit processed foods. Get regular medical checkups, especially if you have diabetes, hypertension, or a family history of kidney disease. These habits work together to support long-term kidney health. Final thoughts: your kidneys quietly serve you every single day. They filter your blood, regulate your body's chemistry, and help keep every organ functioning properly. Although no fruit can reverse advanced kidney disease or replace medical treatment, a diet rich in colorful, nutrient-dense fruits can help support healthy kidney function, reduce inflammation, fight oxidative stress, and promote overall wellness. Nature offers an incredible variety of fruits from antioxidant-rich blueberries and strawberries to hydrating watermelon, protective cranberries, refreshing lemons, and nourishing apples that can become part of a balanced lifestyle. Remember, the goal isn't to rely on one miracle fruit, but to build healthy daily habits that include a colorful variety of whole fruits, vegetables, adequate hydration, regular exercise, and proper medical care. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos on natural health, traditional wisdom, and evidence-based wellness. Share this video with someone who cares about their kidney health. You might help them make healthier choices today. Thank you for watching, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Follow Nature's Healing TV for more natural health secrets. This video is for educational and traditional knowledge purposes only, and it's not a substitute for professional medical advice or diagnosis. So be warned.